Even now, if you Google that what's the average conversion rate on an e-commerce website, you would generally find an answer like 1% to 2%. But that is completely false. You don't have any idea in terms of what the AOV of the product is, what the survey data was, what kind of websites, niche, and everything related to that. The only conversion rate metric which you should be optimizing for is yourself. You should be benchmarking your own conversion rate metric with others. Even with yourself, when you're benchmarking, what happens is you see a dip in AOV, though the conversion rate is increasing. So you'll also have to look at other metrics, if they are also increasing, or is it just because transfer of revenue from one place, from one metric to another. If the AOV dips by 10% and conversion rate increases, then it's not a big thing, because your total revenue will still remain the same. So in this video, I'll explain how to increase conversion rate in Shopify website. Now, most conversion rate, when you hear about CRO, this is what they propose. Just change here UI UX here and here, and that's done. You will improve your conversion rate. This is not the way to improve your conversion rate. Usually what happens when you make these changes is the graph looks like this. There is a bump in conversion rate, but it regresses back to mean again. I'll explain exactly how you need to increase your conversion rate with sustained performance over long periods of time. So first, I'll show you exactly 5 practical examples to improve conversion rate that doesn't require any app installation or any tool to check for page speed. Now, first is image optimization. This is the image you have on a website, and this is the image that's optimized. Now, why? The biggest real estate in the phone screen when your visitor lands on your website is from images, and people scroll through images before they read the description. So if in images only can you provide the most beneficial part of your product or USP of your product or most important ingredient for people to make the decision regarding the product, then it's better, it's highly valuable to customer, and it will convert faster. They need not read the description, they can scroll through the images and convert. For example, in skincare, here we have written, this is one of the brand we are handling. Here we have written, from this image, we have written what are the ingredients in this product. What's this unique blend about? Because people care what is inside this product that will help enhance my skin. Then, second, increase the motivation in your ads. We have a firm belief, instead of all ads saying this product is made of all these ingredients, let's change the motivation. In terms of, if you can provide enough motivation in your ads, then no matter how bad the design of your landing page is, it will still convert at least on a decent rate, though it might not convert at a high rate. If you can provide enough motivation for your people to know that this is the most important product of their life, and this is the most important product to eliminate all the pain, then they will surely buy your product. But how do you quantify that motivation? For example, let's change the motivation. People want to answer this question: why this product will work? Show me or educate me about it. 98% on oily skin women noticed a difference in their skin in 3 months. Add a review here. So this is an example. These are very different phrases. I'll explain exactly. So people want to answer in every ad that what is there in this product that will work for me. That is the most important part for them to answer. Show them how exactly and show them why this product will work. For example, if it's a skincare, then we say that 98% oily skin women noticed a difference in 3 months. And then we add a review also from oily skin woman saying her story. That is what convinces people. That is enough motivation for people to buy before even checking on the product page and everything. They've already made up their mind, seeing that's the ad, that this is a good product for me, this will help me. So even if the landing page is short, big, UI, UX changes are there, your upsells are there, not there, but still you will convert if you can create enough motivation in your ad. Third, ask ChatGPT. How do you use this? What do customers value in your product, and arrange it in an order. Now, in a skincare product, for example, there are multiple things what constitutes a skincare. Its ingredients, its efficacy, it's how fast can I see the result, is it travel friendly, is it good looking on my desk or routine, does it fit my routine? All these things matter. But what matters the most is you want to find out, because what matters most will create enough motivation, and that will be the deciding factor for people to buy the product. So how do you decide that? Just use ChatGPT here. For example, what we do is we say that for a skincare brand, we are advertising, say, hair mask for a skin serum as a product, then what are the things people consider when buying a skin serum? Then after it lists all the things, we ask it, please arrange it in an order of decreasing order of enough motivation to buy the product, or we say that please arrange it in a decreasing order such that the most important deciding factor to purchase is at the top. So like that we say, and GPT more or less 95% of the time it arranges in a pretty good order, and then with the order itself you can ask it, okay, this you said ingredient is the most important, then create me ad headlines or ads with ingredients. For this you can refer to my other videos also, where I've explained in detail how to use ChatGPT for this particular instance. You can just search creative strategy by Bharat Mavens on YouTube, you will find it. Then handle upfront objections. See here, people follow F-shaped learning. For example, first they see here, then here, and then they don't read it every time here. They go scroll down and read it next. So what they have done, they have done quite a few optimizations. For example, they sell a Moxie Beauty, they sell a hair care based. So they see, first is they have optimized the image. They are showing that before after in the second image itself. Then they are also saying what all the hair types, because this is an important factor for people to consider when they are buying this product. What all hair types? They are mentioning it upfront. They have researched this product and they have known that okay, this is important for customers, so they need to maintain it here, like that. So that is what is important. That is how you need to optimize, not just change elements from up to down or from right to left. That's not. What ingredient is the most important should be prioritized in the landing page. Work for my type. So three things that matter the most. Does it work for me? Which means I can provide reviews, I can provide what skincare type or what hair care or what skin type or what color it is, what design it is. Then what are the returns and shipping? That is the most skeptical part for any customer. Even if I am buying it, I look for returns. Am I able to return it if it does not work for me? That's what I am concerned about. Then returns and shipping and the price. So these three are the most important factors that needs to be nailed down in any landing page for it to convert at an efficient rate. Next, social proof. Videos, images, text, all types. Now social proof, mainly people assume it's just reviews, text-based reviews. That's not the way. You need to be looking at social proof in three manners. One is videos, actual before after videos, or second is images, where before after images are presented, and third is a text-based review which you are saying, or images of people using the product and everything like that. The bonus hack, here is one bonus hack. This is more of a hack rather than a strategy per se, because if you launch limited editions and time-bound deals on products, then you are bound to increase your conversion rate. But you'll also have to see, does it actually help me in a long run or not? Because not all hacks are applicable and not all hacks needs to be implemented. So the sum up is, the way to improve conversion rate is to ignite enough motivation in the customer and create an ad tell a story that why this product will work for the customer. Then focus on the messaging and its coherence with your ad and landing page. You know what happens is, if you're saying me, okay, this in ad, if you're saying me this product is made up of XYZ ingredient, then once again say me in the landing page that this product is made up of XYZ ingredient in the top part of the landing page itself. Don't try to hide it. If the most important factor in the ad, the important angle in the ad is there, the same angle needs to be reflected even in your landing page, so that it instills more trust. That's why we say coherence between ad and landing page is important. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your colleagues. Thank you.